living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray.
So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Izunye, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful goddess boho locks. If that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely watch this video to the end to see the entire process. And if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like and comment, and let's get into it. So I start off with braiding some chunk of hair. This is going to be the base hair, and I just take the right amount that is not too big for my hands, braid that to the very end. I ended up braiding about 3 of this, just the right amount for the entire locks. Now for the wrapping hair, I'm going to be curling this with my good old straw. Just place it around the straw, twist and turn until the entire strand is wrapped around the straw. So once I've called the right amount for the locks, I dip both the base hair and the wrapping hair in some hot water with conditioner to reduce the frizz, and I let that air dry completely. Now that the hair has dried completely, take the braid down, brush that through and set that aside. So I remove the wrapping hair from the straw, trim the ends and separate the hair. So I take a little piece of the base hair, place it on the cable without placing it at the midpoint. I make one side longer, one side shorter. That way I get that thin curled ends that I was going for. So yeah, once I was done with that, I just twirl and then twist it about twice, take out the little piece and tie a knot to secure the loop. I pass the crochet through the loop, attach the wrapping hair to the hook, pull that through, make one side longer, one side shorter. The shorter part I hold together with the base hair, the longer side I wrap with. So I start wrapping, not too tight, not too loose, just right there in the middle, just right enough for it to be soft without having to unravel, if you get what I mean. So I wrap this to the finish, and once I'm getting close to the end, I wrap this really tight to secure the locks. So the visuals explains this better, so I'm going to let you watch the video and enjoy. So if at any point you do not get anything, you can just rewind and watch that over again. This requires no special skills. You do not need to know how to braid. Just wrap the hair around and you're good to go. So enjoy. So are you stopping by for the very first time, or you've been watching my videos without subscribing? Please take out this time to click that subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and comment down below for questions, recommendation, whatever, and I'll be there to reply your comment. Don't forget to click the bell button to be the first to get notified every time I post a brand new video. So I took out about 6 logs and I started braiding. Guys, in all honesty, this made no difference. So you might want to skip this step and you're still good to go. So I braided that to the point where the log finished, and I brushed the ends and wrapped that, or curl that, with my Flexi rod. So I dip the cord ends in some hot water with conditioner and let that air dry for some minutes. So I took out the Flexi rod while it's still damp, trim the ends and separate the locks. So looking at the curls, I was like, this is not what I was going for. I had to dip this in some hot water or warm water to, loosen the curls. And yeah, right there, that is what I was going for. So this is the finished locks. Look at the thin ends right there. That was exactly what I was going for, even though it's going to get a little more volume when completely dried. So yeah. Hey again, so it's time for installation, and this is what the locks look like. So look at that individual piece right there, and remember what I said about adding some volume when it's dried completely. Guys, it's perfect. So I passed the crochet through the loop of the locks, attached my hair to the hook, pull that through, and then I wrap my hair around itself just like so. Guys, I don't know if what I'm explaining makes sense, but just watch, you're going to understand. So once I have attached the wrapping hair to my hair with a crochet, I start wrapping, and I wrap to this point where I attach this deep weave hair. Guys, I didn't use so much of this because I was going to travel with this hair and I wanted to keep it longer. And since this is synthetic hair, it tends to tangle up a lot. So once I just add it, I continue wrapping. I wrap this until I've covered all of this up, and that is basically it, you guys. And FYI, this is not the only way that you can install your locks. I do have a tutorial up on my channel how I use the illusion method to install some crochet braids. So you can check that tutorial out, and that's the way you can install your locks. That is even way easier and faster, but this is just my preference. So yeah. So guys, this is the finished look, and you guys, this looks so beautiful. I love it. I did get a lot of compliments with this. So yeah, I did keep it in for about a month because I traveled with it and it was looking beautiful to the end. All I had to do was take out that deep weave, which I didn't add much to start with. So yeah, so if you have watched this tutorial to this point, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever I drop a brand new video. Comment down below for questions and recommendations, and I'll be there to reply you. Please feel free to share this video with friends and family and everyone and anyone who you feel like need to see this video. See you guys on my next one. Stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye guys.